So this is a close-up of my skin after using the POV Beauty products from Mikayla. And so far it looks really good, I think. Now let's put on some makeup, and it will be from, you're starting out with the Dior foundation, 24-hour wear, radiant foundation, perfection and hydration, concentrated in skincare with an SPF of 20 and PA+++. So I'm taking a little bit on the back of my hand. Then we are going in with the Forever Skin Correct, and this is 24-hour wear and hydration, creamy concealer, full coverage. Givenchy Prisma Libre number 3, Vol Rosé, something like that. I'm not going to teach you any French today. So that was the Prisma Libre from Givenchy for my setting powder under eyes and in the T-zone. So far so good. And now we will be using the Dior eyeshadow palette. Let me see, it's so difficult to do this so you can all see it. It's the Coral Couture and the Dior Show 5 colors. So I'm going in with this one. I will try to do it lightly this time. And then we'll do this in the inner corner. And I think this in the middle. And we'll see. Maybe I should go with this one instead. In the outer corner. To make it more like a day-to-day makeup. Yeah, let's try that. Let's do that one. It's also a little bit, gives a little bit summer, this color. So let's try that. And then I was thinking maybe this one, I'm not sure if I can do, I think maybe I would have to use my finger. Yeah. That's so nice. Wow. Look at that. I'm sorry. I just had to do this so I can see what I'm working with here. Yep. Good, good, good. And the other side. Ooh, be careful. Yep. Just tap it in like this. And you can use your finger. I find it the easiest way to do this. And try to get it all the way down to the lash line. Yeah, looks good. Need a little bit more on this side. Yeah. And it's a little bit of a fallout, but it's maybe because I'm doing this shimmer thing here. And now for the inner corner. For the inner corner, of course, the lightest one. So let's try that. See how it blends in. And you guys, I am not a makeup artist, but I enjoy makeup and I love makeup. So I'm just, maybe we can learn something from each other then. So just leave comments below if you find that I'm doing something really strange, or yeah, I'm up for it. So this is all self-taught, talked kind of, yeah. I learned it by myself, by watching others doing it. I'll do a little bit on top here. And then I'll try to just, I think it looks pretty good actually. I don't think I need to blend in anymore. It looks pretty blended already. It looks pretty blended. So that was the eye makeup. What do you think? Remember to leave your comments. I appreciate it. And I'll try to answer all of you the best I can. So this is a waterproof creamy eyeliner pen from Dior. It's a Dior Show Stylo. And it looks really interesting. That's just the way I like it. It's like a small pen, crayon, or whatever you want to call it. They are not that difficult. Hopefully. Oh yeah, this is easy. Goes on straight away. Instead of the eyeliner, you could also just use one of the eyeshadows. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Or maybe not. Let me see. Because this one has the kind of the buffer on the other side. So you can buff it out. So I'll try that this time. Who am I kidding? Day-to-day makeup? I don't know if I can make that. Anyway, anyhow. Let's continue. This is Maybelline City Bronzer again. If you have seen my videos before, you know I like this one. It's a medium warm, number 250. So no, this is not my... this is a bronzer. I don't know if I like this color, to be honest with you. Do you think it looks a little bit dirty? Does it? Is it wrong color for me? Please comment below. I'm not sure what I think about this one. Huh. Anyhow. Let's do Charlotte Tilbury. Isn't that nice? Look at this. I just love it. It's a Pillow Talk Flawless Pink. It actually also comes with the setting powder. I forgot that. Anyway, let's do the low blush from Charlotte. Oh, did you see it enough? Charlotte, where are you, darling? Come on over. And we will try to put on some love. This is, after all, the low blush from Charlotte Tilbury. So, darlings, we are putting it on. Let's try it. It's a really nice color. It is. And now, you guys, I don't know. I must have some other highlighters here. I can't remember where they are. Well, anyway, I have this one from Florasis, and it works fine. So let's use it. I'm going to be a little bit more careful this time, because last time it was a lot. Look, it's getting in there right away. As you may know, and if you don't, now you're going to know it, I love the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. This one. And this is in the color, again, 25 Stay Exceptional. Form them as a lip liner, almost. So this can be used as a lip liner or all over the lip. And you can also use it over the line, kind of. Sorry, I can't talk when I'm doing this. And then we are going in with more Dior. And look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Look at this. This is my lipstick. I can't believe it. And it's so good, you guys. I forgot what the name is. Okay, guys, I'm giving up. I'll put it up here or on the sides or somewhere, the name of it. It's really, really nice. Look at this. Oh. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I think it's a perfect match. I have to say, I think it's a perfect match with this lipstick and my lip liner, lipstick, whatever you want to call it, from Maybelline and Dior. Look at that. Isn't that a perfect match? So this is the Wow Brow from e.l.f. And I don't know anyone with a perfect match of eyebrows. I'm just saying it so. I'm just saying it. It doesn't happen. And I'm a doctor, so I should know. I think it works really well. Point of view. POV Beauty from Mikayla. We'll see what we think, everyone. So what do I think immediately now? Yeah. I think it looks really good. I usually have lots of lines here. Not so much now. But I'm going to wear this makeup for a few hours. We will see if it holds up. That is, of course, also for the makeup. So, welcome back. Today we have Dior from the luxury market and Mikayla from POV Beauty. POV Beauty. They are up against each other? No, they are not. They are working together today. I was prepping my skin with the amazing products from POV Beauty. I'm in my late 50s and I think my skin has never looked this good. I have to say I love both of these products. It's the foundation in 1.5N and the concealer in 1N. Working wonders on my skin, I must say. Looking flawless. So what do you think? Do you like it? I think it looks really good. Oh, I love this product. Look at this. My lipstick. Love it, love it, love it. That's the lipstick I'm having on. Yes, I love it. It's my new favorite lipstick. Oh my gosh, I love it. So leave your comments below and tell me what you think. I feel like I'm glowing now. So Mikayla, thank you so much. Look at my skin now. It's like, I feel like I'm just glowing. I really, really like it. It's amazing. It's my new favorite. I just need the Drench It now to have a complete set. And I know you say it's a prep, but I think it could be used also as a skincare, to be honest. I need some more of your Ambit. I hope you will have more in soon. So Mikayla, I'm impressed. Hope you continue like this. Yay! And for more, just click here. So see you in the next video. It's right up here somewhere. Bye.